How to delete messages on Snapchat from both sides. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Your camera will open up. Now navigate to the chat section. For that, click on the option of friends. Once you're over here, now open the conversation where you want to delete the message. Now head towards the message that you want to delete. Press and hold on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option delete. Friends can't see that you have deleted something. Click on delete. Just with that, the chat will be deleted from the both sides. Likewise, you can do the same for other messages as well. Press and hold on the message, click on delete option, click on delete. So this way you are able to delete messages on Snapchat from both sides. You can do the same for other conversations as well. So that's the wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.